The size of this dragon fruit flower is, I never thought it would be so big. It is just wonderful seeing it bloom. Midnight 12 o'clock. I'm gonna pollinate it now. I can't find a brush, but I will take this leaf and pollinate. I hope it's getting pollinated. This is my first time pollinating a dragon fruit. There is the pollen, and